Hello everyone, myself Nilima Nimje, Assistant Professor, Department of Management Study. And today we are going to look after the subject business law. In this, we are going to look after the Act Consumer Protection Act 1986. Moving towards next, let us know what do you mean by consumer dispute. Consumer dispute means a dispute where the person against whom a complaint has been made denies or disputes the allegation contained in the complaint. The dispute can be between consumer and a trader, manufacturer or a service provider against whom a complaint can be done and relief can be sought under the Consumer Protection Act. Now let us look after the consumer disputes and complaint. So whenever any dispute occurs, which are the agencies which can be approached by the consumer? So there are three agencies, redressal agencies which can be approached. Very first at the lower level is district forum, which has been made for every district and it is controlled by state government. The district forum is also called as District Consumer Dispute Redressal Forum. The next redressal agency is State Commission. State Commission is for the entire state. Means every state in India is having their own state commission. It is again controlled by the state government and it is also called as State Consumer Dispute Redressal Commission. The third and the foremost and the topmost is National Commission. It is also called as National Consumer Dispute Redressal Commission and it is been controlled by the national central government. Moving towards first is District Forum. So who are the members of District Forum? So the most important person of the District Forum is known as President. Now the question is, who can be the President of District Forum? And the person who is or has been the district judge is the President of the District Forum. Apart from the President, there are two other members, out of which one member shall be the woman. And the qualification of this member is the age should be not less than 35 years. They should possess a bachelor degree from a recognized university and these members should have at least 10 years of experience they should have an ability, integrity and experience, adequate knowledge in the field of economics, law, commerce, accountancy, industry, public affair or administration in any one of these. These are the members of district forum. So this is basically a composition of district forum. The disqualification of district forum. The president and members can be disqualified because of the following reason. The first reason is if the member has been sentenced to imprisonment for any offense. So if any member have committed any kind of offense, if he had gone to jail in that particular situation, he would be disqualified from the being the member of the district forum. Also, if he is involved in moral turpitude, it means that if he has did anything against the country, he have gone against the peace of the country in in the case of terror, he is involved in terrorist attack or war. So in that particular situation also he would be disqualified. Another reason, if the members have turned to be insolvent, it means if the members are turned to be bankrupt. The next reason, if the person is of an unsound mind, then he is clearly disqualified from district forum. So what do you mean by an unsound mind? It means that if the person is not into a stable mindset, if he's too much drunk, or if he's not medically health-wise is not mentally stable, then that particular person is called as an unsound mind. Or if the person has been removed or dismissed from the service by the government, then also he would be disqualified, and any other reason of disqualification prescribed by the state government. Moving toward next is the district forum appointment. Every appointment in the district forum is made by the state government. As I stated earlier, the entire district forum is controlled by state government. So here are the committee here consists of the president of the state commission, that is chairman, secretary, law department of state member, and secretary in charge of department is again another member. Now these should be the secretary in charge of the department should be dealing with the consumer affairs in the state. District forum tenure. Now the tenure of district forum shall be held for 5 years or up to the age of 65 years, whichever is early. Now, members are eligible for reappointment subject to the condition that he fulfills the qualification and other condition. Members may also resign his office but the resignation should be given in writing and it should be addressed to the state government. Once the resignation got accepted, the position of that particular member become vacant and it can be filled by the fresh appointment by considering the qualification. The district forum salary, the district forum member's salary, an honorarium or any other allowances payable to them, that is the member of district forum, shall be as prescribed by the state government. Then jurisdiction of the district forum, the most important. Now now the consumer can complain in district forum or any of the redressal agency, but the question is the consumer will approach which district forum, and the answer is jurisdiction. So here the if the values of the goods of the consumer should not exceed above 20 lakh. If the value of goods or services is below 20 lakh, then the district forum redressal agency should be approached. This was all about district forum. Moving towards next is state commission. So here again the composition of state commission is same as district forum. So here a person who is or has been the judge of high court shall be the president. So here high court judge is the president, in district forum district court judge is the president, whereas other composition remains same, that is two other member out of which one shall be women, and the members qualification should be not less than 35 years, hold a bachelor degree from a recognized university, and at least 10 years experience in economics, law, commerce, accountancy, industry, public affairs or administration. Moving towards disqualification in state commission. So again it is same as district forum. So the person or the members can be disqualified if the member has been imprisoned or sentenced to imprison, involved in moral turpitude, a member is insolvent, if the member is of an unsound mind, if he or she has been removed or dismissed from the service, or any other disqualification as prescribed by the state government. Moving towards next is state commission appointment, same as district forum, that is it is made by state government and it consists of president of the state commission, that is chairman, secretary, law department of state, a member, secretary in charge of department dealing with consumer affair in state, again a second member. Moving towards next is tenure. A small difference between district forum and state commission is the age. District forum tenure was 5 years and 65 years, where 65 years of age, whereas state commission tenure holds an office of 5 years or up to the age of 67 years. Again, the member is eligible for reappointment and he should fill the qualification and other conditions. Also, the member can resign, but the resignation should be in writing and it should be addressed to the state government. Once the resignation got accepted, that particular position will become vacant and will be filled by the fresh appointment. Moving towards salary. So state commission salary, honorarium or allowances is been decided by the state government. Jurisdiction of the state government. Jurisdiction of the state commission is the value of goods or services should be about 20 lakh but below 1 crore, whereas for district forum it should be below 20 lakh. So this was about district forum and state commission. Thank you.